Welcome to the StoryChief Academy. In this video, we'll explore the settings and how these improve your experience. The first thing you should prioritize when settling into your workspace is to familiarize yourself with the settings. By customizing the settings, you can tailor your environment to suit your unique preferences and work style. So before hopping on any tasks or projects, take a moment to explore and optimize the settings to get the most out of your account. These small changes can make the overall experience just a bit smoother. Let's dive in. In the dashboard, click on your name in the top right corner and proceed to the settings. The workspace settings are the first part, where the most visual adjustments can be made. Change the display name and the logo to align with your brand. Below, select the correct time zone, date/time format, the first day of the week, and the number format to make sure the dates and calendar views are easy to use. At the bottom, there is a danger zone. Here, you can change the organization name. This also changes the domain of the William blog if you are using this without a custom domain. Next up is scheduling. Click on Settings and go to Scheduling. Here, it's possible to set the default scheduling time when planning an article, social post, or event. For example, we can set the default time for articles at 4 in the afternoon. Confirm by clicking on Update. For the post sets, we'll set the default at 5 in the afternoon. Events can be defaulted at 6 in the evening when our workday ends. Changing these settings reduces the number of clicks every time you want to schedule content. Now we're going to the language settings. The publishing language is important for blog articles, the AI power mode, and just to keep an overview of multilingual content. Adding the correct languages makes sure content generation by the AI goes smoothly and you don't need to translate. If you manage multiple languages on the website, adding the correct language to a blog article ensures it displays on the correct version. Something important for website publishing is the code. Every language has a locale code which needs to match the one used on the website. Sometimes it's as simple as having N for English, but you can also have EN/US for American English and EN/UK for UK English. The following part covers the selection of content types in the workspace. Every content type has a toggle button to only show the types you are creating. If you currently don't create podcasts or webinars, you can disable these to keep a clean view. As your content marketing expands and the different types of content you create, you can also expand the options in StoryChief. By enabling everything, the full content repository can be found in one tool. This way, you can grow on missional content marketing and keep track of all marketing efforts. The other settings will be covered in their dedicated video. That way, we can explain in depth how to manage your users and how to leverage the possibilities of custom fields. Go check out the workspace settings and turn the theory into practice. Curious for more? Check out our other videos.